Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I am Fim Moran, 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, Batch 2010, UP Diliman.
What's
What's
up,
up?
sir? What's up? Ang huling episode natin ay yung pag-alis yata ni Luis
Ni
Pablo.
Luis. Oh, naalala ko 'yan kasi yung paborito kong troll sa Twitter. Binilang pa niya ko ilang araw simula nung huling episode natin.
Ulul?
Oh, pagka-release natin ng tungkol kay Luis na episode. Binilang pa niya eh. Since kailan yun? Basta binili niya ilang months, ilang days since yung last episode.
Salamat,
Okay,
fan.
thank you. Thank you
Thank
sa
you,
views
fan,
kasi nanonood ka. Kahit
for
na tinotroll mo, okay lang.
salamat sa pagsubaybay. Isa ka palang avid fan. Kailan siya nag-tweet?
Pagka-release natin nung Luis episode, mga few days after, gulat ako eh.
Ah, okay. Anyway, again, it's what we live with, what we live for. It's the UAP. Maraming masasabi ang mga tao, especially for UP. As always. Um, okay, let's talk about the current latest updates that we've had since the recent weeks. No. Sa tayong simula, unahin ba natin nawala o yung dumating?
Yung dumating na muna.
Yung dumating.
Yung dumating.
Okay. So, it was announced this Sunday morning na Jacob Baila has committed to the UP Fighting Maroons. No.
Yes, sir.
Former Gilas youth, Batang Gilas player, Jacob Baila, now will be playing for the UP Fighting Maroons. Eligible for season 87. No, so this kid grew up in the States. And honestly, hindi ko naman, I mean, narinig ko yung pangalan niya with Jared Bass and all, with the Sean Alters and all, back then. But I never really got a good picture of how he plays.
Mhm.
No? Ikaw ba, Zo? Same tayo, Zo? Ganun ang ano natin.
Oo, parang ganun din.
Oo, ganun.
Pero ang ano naman, naisip ko, kung nasa Batang Gilas siya, yung mga napupunta naman doon, hindi mga hindi naman nobodies yung
Mhm.
nagbabatang Gilas. Tapos, US grown pa siya. So,
Pero
baka
di rin tayo
mas may
sure.
potential. I mean, oo nga, hindi rin
Oo,
tayo sure.
yes.
Alam mo naman, maraming nagko-commit na ganyan. Mga prospects na highly touted. Hindi man siya laging nagpa-pan out pagdating sa college level. Pero, kumbaga, yun nga, the fact na nasa Gilas team siya, nasa national team ka ng Pilipinas, it means merong something in you.
Mhm.
May
Yes.
potential ka talaga.
Yep.
Kasi hindi ka naman pupunta doon, hindi ka magaling eh.
Yes.
'Di ba? Ganun lang, yun lang naman.
Oo.
So, tignan natin. Hindi
Yeah.
nga sa automatic.
Yeah.
But, pwede. 'Di
Pwede.
ba?
Yeah. Yun nga, mismo. Pwede. Kaya siguro yung keyword dito ay potential. No?
Mm.
Well, you can take out the fact na highly recruited siya as the report say. But yeah, again, it's still too early to tell for me na ma-hype tayo lahat. No, but of course, I mean, we welcome Jacob to UP. Salamat for choosing UP, but now it's time to prove his worth, no, to for that spot in the lineup for the contribution na kailangan niyang ibigay.
Yup.
Hindi naman sa pinipressure natin siya, no? But kumbaga, we have to see still kung paano siya mag-perform.
I mean, mukha namang aware siya sa situation sa UP na, ano ba yun,
Malalim.
marami siyang kalaban,
Oo.
malalim yung team. Kung ilang years na silang parang nililigawan ng management ng UP. During that time, during those same years, yun yung time na malalim na yung team eh.
Mm, mm.
So, alam niya yung pinapasok niya.
Okay.
Alam niya family niya kung anong pinapasok niya. And I'm sure ready siya dun. So, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya. How he will prove himself. Paano siya magpapakitang gilas na ako yung dapat bigyan ng playing time. Hindi itong si player A, si player
Oo.
B.
Oo.
Ako yung bigyan niya ng playing time.
Of course, we're happy, no, na he chose to play for UP. And again, I'm welcome to UP, Jacob. And we're excited to see what we could from his type of play, his type of experience coming from the US, no. So again, if you want to see more highlights of him, marami actually online. Especially when he played here nung NBTC. So with the dawn of social media, you can't miss how if you want to look at a certain player, no. So makita yun. But again, we still have to see how he will perform in the UAP. So yeah, malalaman natin, no. So but yeah, thank you, Jacob. Welcome to Diliman. We're always happy to have those types of prospects coming to our team.
Ano din eh, di ba? Like we said several times before, mabuti nang nandito siya sa atin
Mhm,
kaysa nasa ibang school, di ba?
mhm,
Bakura
mhm.
na natin, di ba? Kung mabangko man, at least hindi natin siya kakalabanin kung magaling siya. Kung
Hala,
talaga
baka
magaling
mabash
siya.
ka. Hala.
Okay lang, bash niyo ako. Sanay na ako. Nagko-comedy ako, minsan di ako tinatawanan eh. So parang, alam mo yun,
Oo,
yung pang babash niyo, okay lang, go ahead.
mani kay Enzo yan. Walang kaproblema. But then yeah, I mean, wala na nga tayong actually yung wala na tayong as CB fans in the current years, the past few years. We've been having it from everyone, but
Oo.
so what? We're still here. Ano yun? And ewan ko, siguro hindi pa rin sila sanay. Siguro tayo, in a way, gets na natin na maraming hate. But, I mean, look at yourselves as well, man.
Oo. Okay na yan.
Oh,
Maraming yun yung mga developments in the game na, alam mo yun, pero talaga may dumadating, may umaalis.
yes. Yes.
Welcome to the game, UP.
It is what it is. Okay. So, with that, syempre meron din tayong bad news, unfortunately. It was, it was, how do you say it? Known, evident back then na Josh Coronel, L.A. Andres, were part of have been part of the player pool of UP mula 86, but both were sidelined. Hindi pala, si Josh was sidelined with an injury, kaya hindi siya nakalaro ng 86. And unfortunately, he aggravated that injury earlier this year. And sayang kasi sobrang excited na ako actually to watch Josh play in Maroon. And I've been hearing good things as well nung recovery niya of how he was playing as of late. But yun nga, sadly, um, hindi natuloy. Kasi nga, na-injure siya ulit. And L.A. Andres din, na-injure naman. Mukhang, yeah, na-release pala na ACL din yung kanya. So again, that's two. No, sorry. Meron pa pala isa. Seven Gagate, most likely will not be ready to suit up for 87 as well. Kasi na-injure naman yung kamay niya. So talking about that, that's already 3 players out, subtracted from our player pool for season 87. Okay. So if we do the math, ang total na eligible, at least for discounting Team Balara or Team B players, 14 ang nasa, ay sorry, 15 including Jacob Bayer already ang nasa ating, sabihin nating lineup for 87. No, okay, so dun sa mga magtataka, hindi naman, parang dami ng player ng UP. Dun sa nakikita natin na Pinoy Liga games, yung kasi halo-halo yung ano nun. Kasi nakita nyo sila Rebogat, sila, sino isa? Si Iniguez na naglalaro kahit hindi pa sila eligible for 87. Kasi medyo lax nga yung rules nung Pinoy Liga. So, but then again, come Phil Oil, mas stricto kasi yung rules nila in terms of the lineup. So, itong Phil Oil dapat ang ila-line up mo is most probably yung maglalaro for UAP or NCAA.
Mm-hmm.
So, dito natin makikita come Saturday, kasi first game na Phil Oil on Saturday, kung ano yung magiging muka ng ating team. Feeling ko wala pa si Jacob dyan back by the first game ng Phil Oil. So, technically speaking, right now, the UP Fighting Maroons are undermanned.
Mm-hmm.
Maniwala kayo sa hindi. Undermanned. Kulang na tayo sa player, kumbaga. Kulang tayo ng isang slot. Meron pa tayo isang slot for one player for 87. No? So, who knows kung sino yung ipapasok doon.
Meron tayo 15, no?
15.
So kung hindi nagme-make sense yung math, 'di ba? Kasi kung dapat 16 tapos wala si 7. So 16 minus 7, 15. Eh, mali yung math, 'di ba? Dapat 9 pero 15.
Ay, nako.
Hindi
Pito
hindi
agad
nagme-make sense.
Pito agad yung nawala.
Pito ka agad yung nawala pero 15 pa rin.
Sige, rundown
Yun.
natin kung sino yung mga natira. Okay. We have Terence Fortea, Jerry Abadiano, Dikachi Udodo, Aldous Torculas, Gani Stevens, Sean Alter, Mark Belmonte, Raylan Torres, J.D. Kagulangan, Denzel Walker, Francis Lopez, Harold Alarcon, Chico Briones, Jan Felicilda, and Jacob Baila. Of course. Ito, yan ano natin. Lineup natin. Iniisip ko, siguro ang come our preseason episode, so try natin gumawa ng depth chart based on what we will see sa sa preseason tournaments, no?
Ang ano diyan sa ni-rundown mong roster. Parang yan yung mga mainstays from previous season.
Mhm.
Yung mga na-injure, yung mga nawala. Sila yung mga, pero sabihin, hindi sila core rotation pieces. From last season, from last season.
Kahit preseason, kahit yung preseason game.
Kahit preseason.
Si LA naglaro ng preseason.
So parang, hopefully, nandun pa rin yung continuity from the previous season, from the preseason, na hindi natin masyado mafe-feel yung impact ng absence ng tatlo. I mean, syempre, undermanned tayo. Kasi nga, 15 na nga lang yung maglalaro eh. Pero, kung yung 15 naman na yun, yung pinaka importante, sila yung kumbaga meron ng chemistry with each other dahil nga nakapaglaro na sila last season, during the preseason, sa lahat ng tournaments leading up to the UAAP season. Baka magsusurvive naman.
Mm. Yeah.
So, yun, on the bright side lang.
Oo.
Baka ganun ang maging outlook natin dapat sa team.
Tama. And to add to that, if I may, kung napapansin nyo minsan in Pinoy Liga, hinahati yung team. Nag-episode pa pala ako ng Pinoy Liga after the first Pinoy Liga game yata. So, siyempre schedule ng Pinoy Liga biglaan. Usually, 2 or 3 days lang before ahead of time nagre-release. And it nangyari na in this season na 2 weekends back-to-back yung games. Saturday, Sunday may laro. No? So, ang ginagawa ngayon is sinahati yung team within those 2 games. So, let's say may
Mhm.
10 for this for this Saturday. Then, the next day naman, the other half na hindi naglaro lang ng first game. So, I guess, for load management nga. And, yeah. But, luckily, despite that strategy, despite kumbaga having less players for a game, we still come out with wins. No? So again, to prove Enzo's point kanina, in terms of chemistry, nandun. Even if you just field in 2 5s in a game.
Oo.
No? So,
Yeah.
so kung sa pagsubok lang, kumbaga, may laban talaga. Kayang lumaban kahit kokonti yung papadala natin. So, posible. But yun, kumbaga, ang problema natin, ang kalaban naman natin dito ngayon, again, as we have had in the recent seasons, ay injuries.
Oo, yun nga.
Yun lang
Yun nga
talaga.
sabihin ko dapat. Kung underman ka na nga, oo, okay na kilala sila ni coach. Kumbaga, alam na ng coaches kung anong strengths and weaknesses ng players nila. Eh kung bigla may ma-injure dyan, di mo masasabi, di ba?
Mhm.
Randomly during the season may injury, -1 na naman sa
Yes.
team, di ba?
Mm.
So, kakakayanin ba natin yun when that time comes? Hopefully not.
Oo, oo.
Pero, hindi mo masasabi,
Di mo masasabi talaga.
di ba? So,
Consi-
yun yung mga parang contingencies na kailangang
yes.
paghandaan ng team, ng fans.
Mhm.
Di ba? Pag nangyari yun.
Kasi nga, as we've been saying, as everyone knows, as everyone should know, iba pa rin talaga ang preseason sa UAAP mismo. So yung tournament itself, the games during during the season, ibang challenge pa rin talaga. So we can't say na okay tayo ngayon sa preseason, natambakan natin yung teams. But it will never translate na ito rin yung mangyayari come UAAP time. No? So we just really have to look at and appreciate the type of process that the boys are going through in terms of improvement rather than the results, especially here in the preseason. Oh yeah, we can at least um paano ba sabihin yun? You can at least give emphasis kahit papaano on the result come UAAP time. Kasi nga, syempre, if you want to strategize on how to get the championship, you would rely on the results of the games. But still, in the end, eventually, yung process of improvement pa rin talaga yung kailangan tutukan. Both in season and off season. So, yeah, continuous improvement. We've been getting naman results from the hard work of the players. If you watch the games, if you've been watching the games, makikita niyo naman kung sino mag-i-improve eh. I guess it's really hard to miss. So, yun yung mga kailangan yung abangan. Kasi, hindi na namin isa-isa. Then, just have to watch the games kung sino yung mga nagtatrabaho to work on their game. Which mostly lahat naman sila. But then, may mga umaangat lang talaga in terms of improvement. No? So, exciting. Again. But, again, yun nga. If ikukumpara nyo sa ibang school, kung yun ang gusto nyo yung topic in terms of number of players, mas marami sa iba. Kung titingnan niyo talaga and not just hating on UP. Mas marami sa iba. Mas na-highlight lang ang UP palagi for some reason. So,
Diyan papasok yung ano eh, coaching. Tayo ko sinasabi, college coaching ano talaga yan eh. Coaching battle kasi ilang years mo lang hawak ng players mo sa school. 4 years, di ba? Iba pa dyan, aalis, lipat ng school, magpo-pro or ano man. So, pabago-bago talaga yung players mo na ang magiging constant yung coaching staff mo. So, kung solid yung coaching staff, kahit anong mangyari sa players, undermanned yan, may injury, may nag-aaway na players, may egos, magagawa nila ng paraan yan eh.
mhm.
Magaling naman yung coaching staff natin. So, ano yan, lagi na sinasabi, tiwala lang tayo kay coach. Ma magagawa nila ng paraan yun. May isip sila dyan.
To add to that, it's more as well yung program itself, di ba? So
Yun.
again, credits to Coach Bo of how he has been transforming this
Yup.
our culture, our sports programs, no. I mean, who would have thought coming from yun nga, tayo, at least tayong dalawa, so coming from our college days na magiging ganito na yung
Oh,
level ng hindi lang yung competition hindi lang yung competitiveness ng team, pero yung suporta mula sa school to our sports teams, no. We have a stadium, we have a new varsity training center, yung office na CHA inaayos na
oh.
mula gera pa
Mukha
yan.
ng ano, mukha ng school.
Oo, di ba? So thank you for everyone who has been contributing to that. We have a baseball field as well, bago, tennis courts. Ang daming kumbaga nowhere to go but up na. So shout out to the guys for at nowhere to go but up as well, siyempre, for Sir Renan, Sir Ags, and everyone else. Okay, sige. Iwan muna natin yung lineup. Again, it's gonna speak for itself in the coming months. We have more or less 5 months ba? 5 months to go before UAP
Oh,
season.
mga 4.5 months.
Oo. So, 4.5 months to improve. 4.5 months to get together and become one unit.
Yep.
Yeah, abangan natin yan. In other news, this week lang din nangyari, nag-integrate na ang UPIS. I guess it starts with the basketball team. UPIS Junior Fighting Maroons and the UP Fighting Maroons. So kumbaga yung high school ng UP at ang college ng UP, at least in terms of first, the basketball program ay iisa na, integrated na. Which I think first time lang nangyari in history ng UP. Or I guess in UAPC. Well, UAP naman pala ever since. So yun. But so far, in terms of details, wala din tayong alam masyado sa pangyayari na to. Aside from the fact na it will be Coach Gold handling the team as well. Nabanggit ba yun somewhere? Pero parang yun ganun yung ganun yung nakita natin eh. So it was nice to see our high school boys, our UPIS boys, come and watch practice ng seniors team when they announced that. No, so malaking bagay ito if you are a high school player. Kumbaga for kung UA school ka ng high school, hindi automatic kasi talaga na yung seniors team nyo ay connected na dun sa team nyo. May sense ba sinabi ko? Kasi depende.
Kayo ba nun?
Wala.
Kayo ba nun? Wala, di ba?
Wala.
Hindi
Ngayon lang
siya
yan.
integrated.
Wala. Sa Lasal, sa Zobel, tsaka sa Taft, the Pumaren days, wala yun eh. May connections lang between the two. But in terms of really integration, wala. Walang ganun. Sa, I would say sa UST meron, sa Adamson, yung, kumbaga kung yung school mo nung high school is same campus nung college, more or less yun lang yung merong
Ah, okay.
integration. Eh, ano to
Makes sense.
from a layman's, ano lang, observation. Ateneo, malamang, Ateneo, kasi isa lang silang pinagpa-practicean. Coaches nila, more or less is the same sa high school and college. Ano pa ba? Yun, Adams, UST, yan, UST, NU, hindi ako sure. Baka hindi pa nga NU. Ano ba? UE hindi rin. UE hindi rin. Ano pa hindi ko nabanggit?
FEU.
FEU, yes. I would say FEU, yes. Oo, isa lang naman ng ano niyan. But in terms of gaano ka tight yung integration, yun ang medyo variable between schools, no? So again, coming back to the
Mhm.
point, malaking bagay to if you are a current high school player right now. Bakit? Kasi matic na eh. I mean, hindi naman sinasabi yung matic, pero yung effort na binibigay mo everyday sa practice, um, mas may chance ka na makaangat sa college, sa seniors team. Kasi yun yung coaches mo eh. Yun yung coaches na sila din yung coaches mo na, so if you shine, if you perform in high school, mas malaking chance mo to get absorbed by, pero again, it's a case to case basis. Marami ring nagpa-perform naman na high school, hindi rin naman pupunta sa seniors team eventually. So again, man yan. But then again, if you're gonna look at it in a general sense, okay to for us. Okay to for us. So let's not be surprised if finally we get to see UPIS to be competitive in the UAP once again. Kung
Mm.
hindi nagkakamali, sige, so, may sabihin ka.
Hindi, yun lang. Magandang ano nga yan. Kumbaga kasi gusto natin, meron tayong parang grassroots program eh.
Yan.
Gusto mong as much as possible, maging homegrown yung talent mo. Bakit ka pa lalabas, di ba? Kung kaya mo nang i-develop yung high school players mo, yun na. At
Oh.
least, at least, dahil integrated sila, alam na nila yung culture.
Mm.
Ma, 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 ma,
Yan. Tama yan, tama yan.
di ba? May inject mo na sa kanila yung culture ng team mo. And at the same time, yung team din, yung college, parang management, or baka isa na nga lang yung management nila. Alam na nila, mag-groom mo na yung younger players, mga high school players na alam mo na kung anong kukunin mo pagdating sa college. Alam na nila kung paano sila iti-train. Kung mag-aaga yung recruitment for college, high school pa lang. Ito na, ganito yung mga kukunin natin players. So merong identity na ma-form dun sa within the entire system. Seniors, juniors. Alam mo na yung quality. Kumbaga, pag sinabing player yan na UP, IS, or UP seniors, alam
Isa
na
yung
ng
identity niya.
outsider
Oo.
kung, ganito yan. Ganito yung work ethic niyan. Lumaki yan sa ganitong klaseng environment, ganitong culture. So magandang kunin yung player na yan. Kumbaga, everyone benefits eh.
Yan.
Benefit yung seniors program, yung juniors program, yung players themselves. Um, I hope di ba, lalawak yung opportunities nila kasi mas gagaling sila eh.
Yeah.
Yung environment nila mas conducive to better, more competitive basketball. So, manonotice sila ibang schools. Sana piliin nila UP. 'di ba? Siyempre, yun yung goal natin. Pero at least may choices na sila. At least
And
mas go.
and yun nga, mas malaki din yung improvement in terms of their game, in terms of
Yes.
so kumbaga it is exponential in terms of advantages, no? Disadvantages we'll see eventually down the line kung ano yung mga magiging problema. So, but all in all, itong initial start na nangyari, again, would do wonders for us. So, yun. Kung mangyari din na sa ibang school mapunta, well, actually dati, nung time natin, marami naman talagang taga-UPIS na sa ibang school pupunta. Yung magagaling ng UPIS, sa malalakas na school pupunta nung time natin. So, kasi
Kasi
nga,
mahina yung school
mahina
natin.
yung UP natin. Mahina yung UP that
Oo,
time.
oo, tama.
Ngayon lang naman tayo na-hate kasi nga, yung magagaling sa iba, sa atin naman pupunta. So, gets yun na ba? Panapanahon lang yan. Tayo na, kung sino malakas, yun yung babash. Kung sino yung kumuha ng malakas, more or less, he'll get the hate or maraming masasabing
Oo.
tao sa kanya. But
Ganun lang
it's been
talaga.
happening ever since. Mofos.
So, yun. Tingnan natin. Yung mga magagaling natin, dadami yun. For sure, dadami yung magagaling na from UPIS. Tingnan natin sa sila magpupuntahan o ilan ang mareretain natin. Ano yung percentage na parang ano yung attrition rate
Oh,
ng ano, di ba?
if you will say that. Oo, tama. Kaya
Yun. Tingnan natin.
pero ang pinakamaganda dapat na unang priority nila dito is kasi ang huling championship ng UPIS and the only championship ng UPIS is back in 2002. So, ilang years na yun? 22 years. Final Four yata nung huli, if I'm not mistaken, 07, 06, parang ganun. Alam
So
ko wala
kung
naman eh.
pinanganak ka nun, kung pinanganak ka nung huling championship na UPIS, graduate ka na ng college ngayon.
Ano,
Di ba?
sila ngayon, di, sila. Sila Carl, sila Har, yun yung, ano nila, birth year, more or less. At yung era na yun. So sila ngayon
Yun
yung,
nga, di ba? Tama. So mga ilang taon sila? 22. Di ba?
hindi, oo nga, more or less, more or less, kung 2000.
So, kung pinanganak ka nun, ano ka na ngayon? Fourth year?
Pa-work ka
O
na,
graduate ka na. Di ba
oo,
malamang, graduate ka na.
oo,
So,
ganun.
gano'n na katagal. Gano'n na katagal.
Yes. Actually, yun ang nakatagal. And yeah, hopefully nga we get to see that soon. At least, yeah, basta improvement should happen. No. Yan, okay na yan. Yun ang muna po sa natin. So, bigay ko muna sa'yo. Time to promote your, shows. Wow. Kung meron man.
Wow, shows. Mga shows.
Yun pa rin.
Kakaroon
Open
ng,
mic.
yun muna, open mic every Tuesday, Wicked Dogs BGC, 8:30 p.m. 150 lang door charge.
Yan.
Hindi nyo alam sino magpe-perform. Yung Tuesday, nag-perform si Victor Anastasio, si Nonong Balinan. So, 150 lang, sulit na sulit. Shows, meron nakaplano sa June
Yan.
sa Gig House Muntinlupa. Wala pang poster, pero update ko na lang kayo.
Yan.
Abang-abang na lang.
Like niyo yung Facebook page ni Zoe para
Oo.
may updates
Search nyo lang. Enzo Regondola. Yung picture ko doon nakaitim ako na maganda yung lighting kasi ano yun eh. Photoshoot. So, tignan nyo lang. Search nyo. Like and follow. Magpo-post ako doon ng mga walang kwentang bagay para lang masayang ang oras nyo.
Ako rin
Yun
pala.
lang.
Ano naman ng page? Facebook page.
Yan si Kim din.
Kasi nga na-inspire ako kay Zoe. So, pero sa akin wala
Yan.
pa laman, no? Pero like nyo rin, Film Moran on Facebook. So, kung sawa na kayo sa Maroon Talk and gusto nyo yung ibang type of content ko, yun yung, doon ako mag-post, no? Instead of my personal profile. So, yun. Enzo Rigondola, Fimuran on Facebook. Like nyo kami if you want to follow for. Okay, Zoe, it was nice talking to you again. Ay, sorry. Hindi, mamaya na siya.
Yes.
Football semis na nangyari ngayon. Hopefully manalo tayo. Okay. Zoe, see you sa games. Hopefully makita tayo.
See you.
Thank you, thank you. See you guys. As always, UP fight, everyone.
UP fight, guys.
At kita-kits. Bye, guys. Ingat, Zoe.